Our first steps will involve downloading Fiji, getting all the necessary Fiji updates, downloading the code, and gathering the example data. We will follow this link to get to the ImageJNet website. Click on Fiji and you scroll down until you see the relevant download version for your device. And you can see it downloading as above. If you have a MacBook, such as in my case, you may get an error message preventing you from opening Fiji. What you need to do in this case is go through the main applications, click on Fiji there, and give it specific opening access. Next step involves getting the Fiji updates. We go back to Fiji, click on the Help tab, and we find updates. You may get an error message such as this one asking you to update Java. To do this, click the link below and follow the instructions on the ImageJ website. In this case, I will simply click OK, as a newer version will not be required for my steps here. The Updates tab will soon appear. You go on Manage Update Sites, which is at the bottom of the page of the tab. And you will see a list of all the possible update sites. You find a 3D, ImageJ Suite, and Neuroanatomy. Then close the tab and you click on Apply Changes. You will get a confirmation message and you can now restart Fiji. We can now download the code for the Gliamorph tool, which is now made available to you on GitHub. You can read the introduction and all of the instructions provided by Elisabeth. You can then click on Code, download zip, and you can see that the folder contains alternative macros, which we will not be using in this tutorial, and the macros, which is what we will be working with. Our last step consists of gathering the example data. For this, we will follow the same link to the Gliamorph website. There are two links providing you different examples of data sets. The bottom one contains the minimum example data, whereas the top one contains a more extensive version. You can click on that one to see all of the available images and data sets, and you can easily download them by clicking on the download button. Thank you for following. You can now continue to the next video where we will assess image quality and visualize our data in 3 dimensions.